So, hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a warning box with something really, well, let's say dangerous. And so first take one A4 sheet of paper, put it on, then crease it. Just like that. Then you take it off and then you cut along the crease. Then after you've done that, glue it on here and then do it multiple times on each side. Then do a design on the pages you have covered. Then use something to color it. Make sure it's all covered and nothing is left blank. Then afterwards for the top, cut out a square which fits and then color it in. Then glue it on the top. Then if there is any excess left uncovered, cut out a strip, color it in, and then glue it on. So hi guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on showing how you should make a warning box. And I'll see you next time, and hope you enjoyed. Bye! Thanks for watching. Bye!